Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and for today it's another video guys for this 2007 Nissan Versa. And this time guys, I will be showing you how to change the air filter for this car. It's again guys, it's very easy repair, but guys, if you know, like I always said, it's tricky if you don't know, but it's super easy if you know. So we need to know how to do it guys. And guys, in removing this air filter, other shop they charge you around 40 to 50 Canadian dollar, so you can do it by yourself. You're just gonna go to a auto parts store and buy this air filter, and you can do it in two minutes, not even 2 minutes guys. So join me today guys, let's do some car repair. Alright guys, before we remove the air filter, by the way, this is the location of the air filter. Guys, please subscribe this channel, give us a like and share it. And I promise you guys, I will be making at least 2 car repair videos for every single car that I will be bringing here in my garage. So guys, support this channel. So let's go back guys to the video. So now, the way I remove the air filter guys, again, just a very cheap flat screwdriver. Then just sneak in here guys, then on the other side right here, and that's it. And now guys, just pull the air filter, and then there you go. And now you can just put a new one, then put back in, then put this one guys, there you go. So that's it guys, that's how you replace a air filter for a 2007 Nissan Versa. So guys, again, always support this channel, share it, don't skip ads. And like I said guys, I always, I'm gonna promise, I'm gonna try my best to bring you at least 2 car repair videos for every single car that I will be bringing here in my, in my garage. So guys, that's all for today guys. So if you have any question, any suggestion, leave a comment below. And again guys, please support this channel. So that's all for today guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.